everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1966 Chevrolet Nova true super sport car, guys. And man, you want to talk about a blast to drive. This thing has 500 rear horsepower, not 500 horsepower, 500 rear tire horsepower. Car rocks, ton of stuff done, complete custom chassis, 5-speed Tremec manual transmission. Car's got a Heidts front suspension. The whole chassis has been customized. It hits the road better than any old Nova, any old stock Nova. Just a fun car. You can see it's finished in mist blue metallic. It's got the medium blue vinyl interior. Cragar SS's all the way around it. Little cowl hood. Car was done in 2018. So there's a few little things as you walk around, a couple little touch-up marks, couple little, there was a mark by the bumper, a little scratch there. Just little things though. Car's been very well maintained. And like I say, man, it is a blast to drive. When you got these supercharged cars, you know, when you're running down the road, you're just cruising in an old car. When you jump on it, these things come alive. Glass is nice. You can see the dash pad's nice. Custom cowl. He's taken the wiper motor out of there. Slick paint. Again, love the interior. Bucket seats. Your trim around here is nice. And it's a real super sport. LED taillights. Look how nice that rear tail panel is. Car sits good. Michey Thompson ET Street's in the back. Bumpers are nice. Really cool car. Those are 15-inch Cragars. Does have front disc brakes. It stops good, I'll tell you that. Aluminum headed small block, guys. Again, it's got this Vortech Supercharger on it. We do have some dyno sheets in the trunk on it. Aluminum heads. You can see it's got a polished aluminum intake. Holley EFI, so it's electronic fuel injection. It's got all MSD ignition with your big wires. I mean, just beautiful underneath the hood here. And again, it's all Heidts tubular front suspension. It's got a rack and pinion steering on it. Aluminum radiator with electric fan. Again, power front disc brakes. It's got ceramic headers, finned aluminum valve covers, and the thing drives down the road great. It's got an extreme velocity supercharger hat on it. Fun car. And again, you can see it's all tubular on the front end. Good, solid, straight Georgia body. Love the little cowl hood on it. It's steel too, it's not fiberglass. A-pillar chrome is really nice. Look how nice that is. Chrome mirror, all your stainless is nice. Door handles are new. New door rubbers. Factory door pads, a little fading on your armrest there. Door jambs are nice and clean. Bucket seats. Got a billet wheel, Hurst shifter. Headliner's in great shape. Showing 29,000. They didn't know the exact mileage since it's been done, so aftermarket tach engages. Blower motor works. You can see your MSD box is mounted underneath the dash. It's got a shift light on it. Again, it's been done since 2018. If you figure 1,500 miles a year, most people put around 800 miles on it. That's actually the average. So there can't be many miles on it. It's got a this is your battery. I think that's supposed to be down there. It's got a battery mount box in the trunk here. Snowboard goes with it. I think I said it's a 3D3 stroker motor underneath the hood. There's your EFI tuner that plugs in. Dyno sheets. Again, it's got 500 foot-pounds of torque. Again, the show board goes with it. 373 positive traction rear axle. It's got chassis engineering bars on the rear. It's got a custom subframe, H-pipe dual exhaust. I'm sure I'm missing stuff. I'll make sure I get it in the ad. But like I say, when you're rolling down the road, it's just you're driving a 66 Nova. You stomp on it and that supercharger kicks in. Whole different animal. This thing rocks. Seats have been all repadded, refoamed. They did a nice job there. They've added the front seat belts. Those gauges are all functional. Speedo works, blower motor works. Again, all this stuff is really nice on the car. Sound. Tach works. Fuel gauge works. Like I say, all your gauges in there are functional. LED taillights. Great sound. Man, this car sounds good. Good old pressure. I mean, that's just a cool car right there. Everything opens and closes nice. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. What?